Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to allow automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to go to the very top of the list to find About Phone. Now let's take a look at the MIUI version, and I know it may be quite confusing, but it is necessary to actually activate the section in which the proper option is located. So here we have to keep tapping on the MIUI version until we will see that we are in the developer mode. And now let's go back to the general settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on additional settings. And here we've got the developer options. A quick disclaimer, if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to simply check our video about them. We've got it on our channel. So you will be able to, for example, customize something like the visual feedback for tabs and so on and so on. So I highly recommend to check it. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit. In this first section you will find the option. As you can see, it's here, automatic system updates, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to update your device manually, but you have to remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate the automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.